Tata Advanced Systems Limited, TASL, is exploring the possibility of converting the GROB G180 SPN corporate jet into a HALE UAS. If successful, the project would result in a low-cost, flexible, and high-performance UAS with a wide range of potential applications. The Indian Air Force, IAF, is planning to equip its MiG-29 fighter aircraft with the Israeli Rampage standoff weapon. So, the Rampage is a precision-guided air-to-surface missile with a range of over 180 kilometers. It is designed to strike high-value targets in all weather conditions, both day and night. BrahMos Aerospace, a joint venture between India and Russia, is developing a hypersonic missile with a speed of Mach 8 and a range of over 1,500 kilometers. Talks with Russia on the project are still ongoing, but the missile is expected to be ready for testing within the next few years. The Gas Turbine Research Establishment, GTRE, is seeking Indian industry partners to manufacture 300 expendable jet engines, which are likely to be small turbofan engines. Engines will be used in air-launched unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, and drones. GTRE is looking for partners who can manufacture the engines in India to reduce the country's dependence on imports. The Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, is setting up a static test facility for testing the antenna array for an under-development radar. The exact type of radar is not known, but it is likely to be a high-power radar. The static test facility will allow DRDO to test the antenna array under realistic conditions without having to fly it on an aircraft or install it on a ground station. This will help to ensure that the antenna array is working properly and that it is able to withstand the rigors of operational use.